Hello and welcome. Step into a world of refreshing beverages that aren't just delicious, they're packed with incredible health benefits. Have you ever considered the healing power of what's in your glass? Today, we're exploring the amazing potential of drinks that can prevent and repair nerve damage. Imagine sipping away stress, easing nerve pain, and even strengthening your nervous system, all while enjoying tasty, nourishing beverages. Sounds incredible, right? Well, get ready, because today we're revealing the absolute best drinks that can do just that. Our nervous system is a complex, delicate network that controls everything we think, feel, and do. But like any system, it can suffer from wear and tear. What if the key to restoring it lies not in a pill bottle, but in your kitchen, fridge, or favorite cafe? From scientific studies to ancient remedies, you might be surprised to find that some of the best nerve-supporting solutions are already within reach. So, let's dive into this flavorful, science-backed journey and discover the best drinks for nerve health. 1. Green tea. First up, green tea, a centuries-old drink cherished worldwide, and a powerful ally for nerve protection and repair. Why it works. Packed with antioxidants, especially EGCG, which promotes nerve cell growth and speeds up recovery after injury. Contains L-theanine, an amino acid that boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, supporting nerve health and new neuron growth. Also linked to better brain function, fat loss, and lower risk of heart disease and cancer. How to enjoy it. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily, hot or iced. Blend into smoothies with banana, berries, and spinach. Use as a broth for soups or mix into baked goods. 2. Turmeric latte, golden milk. Next, we have the golden, warming magic of turmeric latte. Why it works. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, crosses the blood-brain barrier, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in nerves. Enhances nerve regeneration and supports overall brain health. Also fights chronic inflammation, heart disease, and Alzheimer's risk. How to enjoy it. Mix turmeric, black pepper, for absorption, and warm milk, dairy or plant-based. Add cinnamon, ginger, or honey for extra flavor. Use in soups, dressings, or even baked goods. 3. Spinach and kale smoothie. This vibrant green powerhouse is a nerve-nourishing superstar. Why it works. High in vitamins B6 and B9, crucial for myelin sheath, nerve insulation. Magnesium supports nerve signaling, while vitamin K aids neuroprotection. Also boosts digestion, fights inflammation, and supports immunity. How to enjoy it. Blend spinach, kale, banana, berries, and plant-based milk. Add chia seeds, flax seeds, or nut butter for extra nutrients. Toss in ginger or turmeric for an anti-inflammatory kick. 4. Orange, carrot and ginger juice. A zesty, sweet, and spicy blend that's a nerve-repairing dynamo. Why it works. Vitamin C, oranges, protects nerves from oxidative damage. Beta-carotene, carrots, aids nerve repair and regeneration. Ginger reduces inflammation and improves circulation to nerves. How to enjoy it. Juice oranges, carrots, and fresh ginger. Add turmeric or cinnamon for extra benefits. Mix with sparkling water for a refreshing spritzer. 5. Pomegranate juice. This ruby red elixir is a neuroprotective powerhouse. Why it works. Punic halogens, antioxidants, shield nerves from free radical damage. May boost neuron regeneration and improve memory. Also lowers blood pressure, fights cancer, and supports immunity. How to enjoy it. Drink 8 ounces daily, moderation due to natural sugars. Freeze into popsicles or mix into smoothies. Use in salad dressings or cocktails, mocktails work too. 6. Blueberry smoothie. A royal blue delight that protects and repairs nerves. Why it works. Anthocyanins, antioxidants, combat nerve-damaging oxidative stress. Enhances nerve signaling and neurogenesis, new nerve growth. Also boosts heart health, skin, digestion, and cognition. How to enjoy it. Blend blueberries, banana, yogurt, and almond milk. Add honey, cinnamon, or flax seeds for extra benefits. Freeze into sorbet for a healthy dessert. 7. Lemon ginger tea. A soothing, spicy sweet brew that calms and heals nerves. Why it works. Gingerol, in ginger, fights inflammation and oxidative stress. Vitamin C, lemon, aids collagen production for nerve structure. Also aids digestion, boosts immunity, and reduces stress. How to enjoy it. Steep ginger and lemon in hot water, add honey if desired. Mix with mint or turmeric for extra benefits. Use as a base for soups or freeze into ice cubes. Every sip of these nerve-nourishing drinks is a step toward better nerve health, vitality, and overall wellness. From green tea's brain-boosting power to turmeric's golden healing, these beverages are nature's way of supporting your nervous system. So, blend, steep, juice, and sip your way to stronger nerves, because health shouldn't just be effective, it should be delicious too. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health-boosting tips. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and take care of those nerves. Cup with straw sparkles.